So start now some numericals. Properties of fluid, some numericals. Okay, properties of fluid is first chapter of fluid mechanics. So we start now some numericals, properties of fluid mechanics. Okay, we start now so basic numericals of properties of fluid mechanics. Okay, this is the question we have. Calculate a specific weight and density and a specific gravity of 1 liter of liquid weight 7 Newton. So first we can consider data. Okay, so given data, first calculate a specific weight. You know that a specific weight denoted by a small w. Second data is density denoted by rho. And third data is a specific gravity. Okay, a specific gravity is denoted by a small s. Okay, calculate a specific weight, density and a specific gravity of 1 liter. What do you mean by 1 liter? Of 1 liter, this 1 liter is volume of liquid. We have volume equal to 1 liter. Okay, volume equal to 1 liter and 1 liter 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So now how this relation, because you know that since 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Okay, therefore 1 liter equal to it's normal term 1 meter cube divided by 1000, and 1000 we can also write 10 to the power 3 1 meter cube. And when 10 to the power is position denominator, you can send denominator when 10 to the power send denominator, so 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 and meter cube. Okay, so 1 liter equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So solution start. First solution is, so we have complete that data. Okay, so we have solution start. First is weight, a specific weight. You know that a specific weight equal to this, a small w is a specific weight and capital W is original weight by volume V. Okay, a specific weight in this question, and also write down a specific weight equal to 7 Newton. Okay, so a specific weight equal to 7 Newton and volume equal to, you can see that 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube.